So for the first time, I decided to try and split my hair into 12. I think it's easier for people with straight hair, but basically what I do is because I want my hair to be really porous, I wash it, but I don't condition it, and I do that whether I'm bleaching or dyeing or whatever, because I want my hair to be really porous, and I feel like the conditioner might interfere. So I use the cheap shampoo, 3 times. I wash my hair twice a week. And so I use it like 3 times, and my roots are already starting to show, and I'm like, it's now or never. And it took me like an hour and a half. My hand is always sensitive, and I had to take pain reliever. It was just, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional, and so I split the front 2, 3, like 5, and then I had a lot in the back still left, and I didn't want to just do it. The last color I was using was green, and I didn't want to do all green in the back, so I kind of like tried to do, and again, I can't see behind my head. I couldn't fit everything on my vanity, so I had to do it on the table. The light is kind of behind me, so it's casting a bit of a shadow. It was really hard, but I did my best. So I messed up with the blue. What I did was I used conditioner, and then I just put a couple of drops of the hair color, because I wanted it to be really pastel. My hair was white, and basically all the yellow I did the yellow front was make my hair go back to like a blonde. Then I put orange and pink and purple and then blue, and then I had a lot of hair left in back, so I just kind of like the yellow, orange, pink, and then I did green. This is why I haven't cut off these strands of hair, because I wanted it to, I like to put it, like in the front, and then you could see the color in the back. You use cheap conditioner because you're going to be using a lot of conditioner. I messed up with the blue. All you need is the tiniest drop of blue, because I think I put like 4 drops, and no matter how much conditioner I put in there, it was not fading. So I had to do a new batch. I have like conditioner left over in those bowls that I'm gonna use because I don't like wasting. I left it in my hair all like about 5 hours. I think I started at 12 and ended at 1:30, and I think I washed it out like at 5:30 ish. So it was there for at least 5 hours. It did not take. Over here you can see a little bit of orange. You can see the pink and the purple. I don't even think you can see the blue and the green. Oh, I have some green on the strands here. It didn't take. What I did was since I had still had at least half a bottle left, or a third of the bottle left of the original rainbow that I did last year. I thought that if I mix it with conditioner, it will lighten it. And yes, as long as you just put a few drops, it lightens it. But it didn't take, even though it was in my hair all day. You could see maybe a little bit of orange. So I'm shocked that the blue didn't take. I thought it was going to be like before, and it was going to take me forever to get the blue out, but nope. So it didn't come out as I had planned. I don't know if, well, I don't think I'm going to do it again. I was thinking of going to the store and getting neon colors. Kiss Express. Now they're doing, instead of doing Kiss Express, now they're doing something called Kiss Temptation. I think the bottles are bigger, and they have neon everything except the yellow. So I had already bought another bottle of yellow Kiss Express because it's really bright. Because I was almost finished. I used a lot of it to get it to show on my hair. So I was thinking of just, doing the other 5 colors. They have like atomic pink. They have neon orange and I think neon orange green. I'm not sure if they have another neon, but they have like cyan. And so I was thinking of doing that and putting that in my hair and see how that would, how that goes. But then I wouldn't have to mix it with the conditioner and it would show better. Another thing I was thinking of doing was just doing, like, since this is gonna probably wash out pretty quick, I was thinking of just doing all yellow, then not orange but pink, I mean peach, and then pink, and then do like that, then purple, and blue, and then green, just but anyway, yeah, it didn't turn out like I wanted. It's more of like an opalescent rather than a pastel. So it was a lot of work. My hand was, my hand is always very sensitive. So, I'm really upset about that. So I don't know. I'll see what happens when I go out. Because usually people will say, oh, I love your hair. I love your hair. I love your hair. I don't even think they're going to notice it, but, let's see if people notice it. And, if the cheap shampoo don't work, which it should, I can always do the bleach wash where you mix a little bit of bleach, I think a little bit of developer, because my daughter did it last time for me. And then you put the cheap shampoo. A lot of people use the dandruff shampoo. I'm not sure why, because... Or I know Aislinn, I think, sometimes uses like clarifying shampoo, and then it should take the color out, because this is so pale. So I guess the only way it would work is if I actually buy pastel colors. So I was thinking of doing, like I said, like neonish bright colors. I've been wanting to do that. I wasn't sure if I was going to, because as you can see, the bleach just really destroyed my hair. I had beautiful long thick hair, and this is all that's left of my long thick hair. A little bit here, just some strands left. And again, the only reason why I did it was because I wanted to put it in the front, so you could at least see that difference in the front. But anyway, so yeah, that was the story with that. I didn't even take pictures. It's just, I did it yesterday. I washed it out yesterday about 5:36, and you can't barely see a thing. I was like so upset. Anyway, moving forward, I did tell Ulta that my 2 of my blushes were broken. And what bothered me more about that was it had these little embossments of what they said, imprints of quotes that they would say in the movie. And I really wanted that. Last time something like this happened, they gave me my money back, which, for $70, that don't bother me. However, I really wanted those embossments. So I was really happy when they said they would just mail, if I take pictures and email it to them, they would just send me one out right away. I have to show you, though, how that box came. The box was crushed. And I did a video. It was really badly crushed. It looked like it was just like thrown down there. They don't put enough, it's like they put it in with like the tiniest bit. I don't even think they had that, but like they put the flat, it comes in a huge box, so they put like the flat bubble wrap, and then they stick a bunch of air, like these air bubble wrap type of things, and it's it's on the bottom. That bothered me that that's how they delivered it. But anyway, it was like crushed. It was like thrown down. The box that it came in was like exploded open. All the blushes, which is what broke on me last time, were just thrown around in there. Surprisingly, they didn't break. I've been on the lookout for fantasy makers. I keep checking Wet n Wild Beauty, Wet n Wild Cosmetics, Wet n Wild Makeup, fantasy makers. You know, I keep looking because I remember last year it showed up like late August, and I don't know. I guess I can't even believe someone is more dedicated. I don't know if that's the word, or determined, if that's the word, than me. But like I've said before, Amanda from Aesthetic Edge, she messaged me telling me that this popped up when she Googled stuff. This popped up on the Walmart website. There is absolutely no information about this. I don't know if this is just something that's going to be coming out in their new line. I don't know if it's a Walmart exclusive. I don't know if it belongs to a set, a display that they're gonna be, you know, showing. I know that when you Google it, this is all that really keeps coming up. You know, I found it once I started Googling it. It popped up on the Walmart website. It's called Always Blushing and Always Naked. It did pop up. I don't know if it popped up when I did eyeshadows. I think it did. It popped up when I put Always Blushing, Always Naked. And only, you know, it will come up at Walmart.com. This is not in stores. So what I usually do to get the free shipping, of course, obviously with my damaged hair, I go through hair, you know, moisturizer like crazy. So, you know, I just put in stuff that I know I'm gonna need. So basically I'm just putting in a bunch of hair stuff. So these I think these are $7 each. I was a little disappointed with the Always Blushing. You know, this is what I would expect from a nude palette. But the Always Blushing, the picture, maybe because when you put the light on it, you can see the pink tones coming through. But when I first got it, there's a lot of warm tones in here, and that just really bothered me because you already gave us the warm tones in the nude. Why are you putting them in this? You know, it's got like, let me see, it's got like 3 coppery colors. It's got like a few bronzy colors. In the light, most of these colors have a pink undertone, but why do we need more bronzes and coppers if you already did this, you know? So that was kind of disappointing. But anyway, it's there at the Walmart.com website. You put in Always Blushing, Wet n Wild, because you know 1,000 other things will come up. Put in Wet n Wild Always Blushing or Wet n Wild Always Naked. I just hope it doesn't belong to a set that still hasn't showed up, but you know, it's there. There's no information about it out there, but it's there. So anyway, so yeah, I will see you guys next week. Take care. Mwah. Bye. Hey guys, I just want you to see how this box arrived. Do you see that? Look at this. See the bottom? It's coming apart. Look at it. Look at it. The box is caved in. And then, look at this. They have it face down. Both sides are popped open. Face down. I want you to see this. Face down. Everything fell out. Face down so that everything could break as they're crushing this box.